Hello, good morning. My name is Dr. Meetei. It's good to see you back again. Today I would like to share with you how I train my arms during the off-season. The first training I do for my biceps and triceps is bicep curls, barbell bicep curls. I do about 4 sets after a nice warm-up of 2 or 3 sets. And the repetitions goes from 10 to 6 in descending order. And here one thing we have to make sure is that we don't curl up too much so that the barbell rests on the elbows, taking away the tension from the biceps. So the right angle is about 86, 87, not 90-degree angle. And the other one we have to make sure is that when we do heavier, please make sure we don't become too sloppy. Yes, a little bit sloppy is not avoidable, but make sure you don't use your lower back muscles too much. Next item is tricep. This is close grip presses, and I do about 4 sets like I did biceps, and the repetitions ranges from 10 to 6 repetitions in descending order. And this is from different angle. Here, please make sure your elbows, your arms, your elbows are quite close to your body so that you can hit the tricep muscles straight. And bring down the weight as much as you can, touching your chest, but you don't have to bounce on the chest. And straighten your arms straight as much as you can. Alright, the next bicep exercise is alternate dumbbell curls, and this one I do about 3 sets, and the repetitions ranges from 10 with a lighter weight, a little bit lighter, and goes down to 6 with my heaviest weight in descending order. And make sure you fully concentrate on your bicep muscles when you curl up and release the weight. Bring down slowly, not dropping straight, but bring down slowly with tension. Alright, the next second tricep exercise is tricep skull crusher, and you can do this with barbell, and I normally do about 3 sets, as I did 3 sets of alternate dumbbell curls, and here also I would do equally 3 sets, and the repetitions ranging from 10 to 6 in descending order. And here also, please make sure your elbows, your arms are close to your body. But for me, my arms are quite short, but I try to keep them closed as much as possible. Do 3 sets of this and 10 to 6 repetitions in descending order. The third exercise for bicep is alternate concentration curls with dumbbells, and here again I do 3 sets with repetitions ranging from 10 to 6 in descending order. And here, please make sure you squeeze hard when you curl up the dumbbells. And this is actually we do for beautiful and high bicep peaks. And make sure you do both sides equal number of sets and equal number of repetitions, unless you have some imbalanced bicep sizes. For example, if your left bicep is a little bit smaller in size, I mean in the peak, and the height is less, then you can do say 1 or 2 more sets of these concentration curls with the repetitions about say 6 to 8 repetitions. Again, focus on your biceps. The third exercise, the opposite exercise for concentration curls. Normally I do dips, weighted dips, or this cable push downs, and this one I do say about 3 sets with repetitions ranging from 10 to 6 in descending order. And make sure you stretch your arms, you push down your arms straight as much as you can to hit the triceps. This exercise will give you a very good pump. Okay, if you have still strength and the stamina, the fourth and the last exercise for biceps is hammer curls. And this will hit your outside bicep muscles, the small projected muscles you can see on your arms. Do about 2 or 3 maximum sets with repetitions ranging from 10 to 6. You don't have to do too many sets of this exercise, so 2 or maximum 3 is enough. And so we have done, this is the 4th exercise for bicep, and this will be followed by another tricep exercise. So I would do dumbbell or cable extension, but I would mostly do with dumbbell as this is off season. Thank you so very much for watching my video, and please do like, share and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.